Online courses. These are 10 profitable approaches to make your knowledge into a successful online course. With the digital landscape booming, creating online courses has become a fantastic way to share your expertise and earn income. Whether you're a professional in a specific field or simply passionate about a topic, these strategies can help you monetize your skills. 1. Skill-based courses. Teach practical skills such as programming, graphic design, photography, or cooking. These courses are in high demand, and learners are often willing to pay a premium for expert guidance. 2. Academic tutoring. Offer online tutoring in subjects like math, science, languages, or test preparation. Many students and parents seek qualified tutors to enhance their academic performance. 3. Personal development. Create courses focused on personal growth, mindfulness, goal setting, or confidence building. People are always looking for ways to improve themselves, making personal development courses highly marketable. 4. Business and entrepreneurship. Share your expertise in areas like digital marketing, business strategy, startup fundamentals, or e-commerce. Aspiring entrepreneurs and business professionals often invest in courses to enhance their skills and knowledge. 5. Health and wellness. Develop courses related to fitness, yoga, nutrition, mental health, or holistic wellness. With the growing emphasis on well-being, health and wellness courses are incredibly popular. 6. Creative arts. If you're skilled in arts like painting, writing, music, or filmmaking, create courses that nurture creativity. Many enthusiasts are eager to learn artistic skills from talented instructors. 7. Language learning. Language courses are always in demand. Teach languages such as English, Spanish, Mandarin, or any other language you're proficient in. Language learners value structured and interactive online courses. 8. Software and technology. Educate others about software applications, programming languages, web development, or graphic design software. Technology-related courses cater to both beginners and professionals seeking to upgrade their skills. 9. Certification and exam prep. Prepare students for certifications in various fields, such as IT certifications, language proficiency exams, or professional qualifications. Certification courses can be intensive, allowing you to charge higher prices. 10. Specialized workshops and masterclasses. Host workshops and masterclasses focused on niche topics. These intensive sessions can dive deep into specific areas of interest, attracting enthusiasts willing to pay for specialized knowledge and insights. Recall, creating valuable content and engaging with your students can lead to a loyal following. Proofreading and editing. 10 lucrative ways you can turn your love for language into a profitable career. In a digital age where content is king, the demand for skilled proofreaders and editors is higher than ever. Whether you're a meticulous grammar guru or a passionate reader, these strategies can help you monetize your expertise. 1. Freelance platforms. Join freelance websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms connect you with clients seeking proofreading and editing services. You can set your rates, work on various projects, and build a strong portfolio. 2. Specialized proofreading. Focus on specific niches such as academic papers, technical documents, or creative manuscripts. Specialization often allows you to charge higher rates due to the expertise required in those fields. 3. Resume and cover letter editing. Help job seekers polish their resumes and cover letters. A well-crafted application can significantly improve their chances of landing their dream job. Offer personalized editing services to professionals looking to make a strong impression. 4. Online content editing. Collaborate with bloggers, website owners, and content creators. Edit blog posts, articles, and website content to ensure clarity, coherence, and professionalism. Many online entrepreneurs are willing to invest in high-quality content. 5. Student thesis and dissertation editing. Assist students by editing their theses and dissertations. Academic editing demands attention to detail and adherence to guidelines. Offering this service to graduate students can be both rewarding and financially lucrative. 6. Proofreading for authors. Collaborate with authors, both indie and traditionally published, to proofread their manuscripts before publication. A polished manuscript enhances the author's reputation and reader experience, making your services invaluable. 7. Business document editing. Edit business documents such as proposals, reports, and presentations. Clear and concise communication is essential in the business world. making your editing services essential for professionals aiming for professionalism. 8. English as a second language, ESL, editing. Offer editing services to non-native English speakers. Many individuals and businesses seek assistance in refining their English documents to ensure accuracy and fluency. Your expertise can bridge the language gap. 9. Proofreading courses and educational materials. Develop and sell online courses or educational materials on proofreading and editing. Share your knowledge, tips, and techniques with aspiring proofreaders. Creating educational content can generate passive income. 10. Collaborate with publishing houses. Partner with publishing houses as a freelance editor. Work on manuscripts from established authors and assist in the publishing process. Building relationships with publishing professionals can lead to consistent work opportunities. Call to mind, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of language are your best assets in this field. Transcription Services. 10 profitable methods you can turn your typing skills into a profitable career. With the rise of digital content and the need for accurate transcriptions, the demand for skilled transcriptionists is higher than ever. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these strategies can help you monetize your talent. 1. General transcription. Offer general transcription services for interviews, podcasts, meetings, and more. Many businesses and content creators require accurate transcripts for various purposes, making general transcription a steady source of income. 2. Legal transcription. Specialize in legal transcription services. Law firms, courts, and legal professionals often need transcripts of court proceedings, depositions, and legal dictations. Accuracy and confidentiality are paramount in this field. 3. Medical transcription. Provide medical transcription services for healthcare professionals. Transcribe patient notes, medical reports, and dictations. Medical transcriptionists play a crucial role in maintaining accurate healthcare records. 4. Podcast transcription. Reach out to podcasters and offer transcription services for their episodes. Many podcasters want to make their content accessible to a wider audience through written transcripts, creating a niche market for transcriptionists. 5. Academic transcription. Assist students and researchers by transcribing interviews, focus groups, or lectures. Academic transcription is essential for qualitative research and thesis work, creating a consistent demand for services. 6. Subtitling and closed captioning. Transcribe audio and video content to create subtitles and closed captions. With the increasing emphasis on accessibility, content creators seek accurate captions to reach wider audiences, including those with hearing impairments. 7. Language transcription. If you're multilingual, offer transcription services in multiple languages. Transcribing content in languages other than English can open doors to a global clientele, especially for businesses expanding internationally. 8. Focus group transcription. Work with market research companies by transcribing focus group discussions. Valuable insights from these sessions require accurate transcription, making this a specialized and in-demand service. 9. Video transcription for YouTube. Reach out to YouTubers and content creators, offering transcription services for their videos. Transcripts improve search engine optimization, SEO, and accessibility, making them an essential part of online content creation. 10. Transcription training and courses. Share your expertise by creating online courses and training materials for aspiring transcriptionists. Teach them the skills, tools, and techniques needed to excel in this profession. Educating others can become a lucrative source of income. Attention to detail and a keen ear are your greatest assets in this field.